Kolby, we're here today to look at your mill warehouse project.
We have a local fish mill client who wanted to take a process that was in an existing warehouse and implement that same process in an existing warehouse that was empty. What they wanted to do was convey fish meal from a truck unload hopper into the warehouse into bins that would be stored until they would then ship out the mill with a truck load area that also included a scale. The first challenges of this job was as building the existing warehouse, mainly to see if what they wanted to do in the what we call Shipley 1 warehouse, this being Shipley 2, if it could be implemented.
2 is smaller than 1.
It is.
Well, that kind of changed it from just taking an existing project and re-implementing it somewhere else.
Yeah, that's what we found out when we began our conceptual design.
We started off in 2D and we went to 3D.
When we give them 3D and can give them model shots and can give them isometrics and renderings and can zoom and pan, and they can really see what we're trying to do and if it's going to meet their needs.
There was an unloading hopper.
Funny thing about this hopper over here is, of course, we tried to match the design from Shipley 1. However, Shipley 1's slab elevation was slightly higher, therefore making our hopper not be exactly the same. We had to jack our hopper up to make all of our conveyor tie-ins work. That led problems with the truck accessing the hopper. We had to design a truck ramp that was 15 foot up in the air, which was a monster. And therefore this truck ramp then had to be covered because they want to protect the fish meal and the hopper. So that and all just added a whole nother structure that we had to attach to this building.
We added another addition over to the south side of the building, and that was for the truck loadout ramp.
There's a roadway on this side. Problem was the distance between the edge of this existing building and this road was very tight. So to squeeze this truck scale in and the overhead conveyors, and also in this area they wanted a super sack loading to package their meal.
Did we give thought to the future on what their future expansion needs were going to be?
We did. These bins you see in here that they plan to store their meal in, as of right now those bins do not exist. These bins have been designed by us to be installed and to hold individual meal. Also, they want to install a future bump out for what they call a fumigator.
It's our job to guide them and show them and put those ideas on paper so that they can see what the true physical outcome is going to be before we jump off into final designs and construction. Us being involved on the front end and helping them with their new initial concept led to a more successful project and a more complete understanding of what they wanted and what they were able to obtain.